Alright, so I'm finally getting around to changing out the stock headlights, which we have here. And we're putting in these RGB LED ones. They have all different colors. They have the halo eyes. It's going to be pretty cool. So the first thing you have to do is there's this bezel right here. It's got 3 T15 Torx bits. So once you remove that, then there's an additional bezel. This little smaller one. This has 4 T15 Torx bits. And we're going to remove that. Done that, you simply open the hood, come back here, and there's a plug right here, and we can just unplug it, and then we can pull out the old headlight. Real easy. These headlights are literally just plug and play. So you just plug it in. It comes with an anti-flicker device, but literally you just plug it right in, put it in, replace first that inner bezel, then the outer one. The only other thing you need to do is there's a Bluetooth controller, which is this, and you just need to route it to the battery, positive, negative. And then it also routes, there's another plug that comes off the headlight, and you just plug it right in. And then you have your controller. You can control it with this or with an app on your phone. There's all different kind of, it's pretty cool. But yeah, too easy. Well worth it. It's only $120. I'll include the link in the video description.